Assalamualaikum. Number 24 of the same trial paper, Johor, 2011 at Maths, Paper 1. The probability Bahari being chosen as monitor is 3/8, while the probability Dewi being chosen is 4/5. Find the probability that neither of them is chosen as a monitor. So this is a probability question. Yes, and this thing keep bugging me. That's saying that my performance is slow. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's do this. So first of all, neither of them is chosen as monitor, which means that you need to find what is the probability that they are not being chosen. Okay, probability that Bahari not chosen is 1 minus 3/8, which is 5/8, and probability that Dewi not chosen is 1 minus 4/5, which is 1/5. Then probability that none is chosen is simply 5/8 times 1/5, which is, use of calculator, 5/8 times 1/5, which is 1/8. So that's the answer. Alright, next one. Only one of them is chosen as monitor. Only one of them, meaning, okay, if only one, then we need to check probability B. Only Bahari is chosen. It's going to be, his probability is 3/8 times the probability that Dewi not chosen, which is 1/5. Okay, this is 3/8 times 1/5, which is 3/40. Yeah, 3/40. And probability that only Dewi is chosen is 4/5. That is probability that she is chosen. Multiply probability that Bahari not chosen, which is 5/8. That comes up to, calculator again, 4/5 times 5/8, 1/2, half, 1/2. Then I put it here, probability that only one chosen is equal to 3/40 plus 1/2, which is 1 plus 3/40, which is 23/40. That's the answer. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, this question is about normal distribution. X is the mass of the nails produced in the factory, then it is continuous random variable of a normal distribution with a mean of 52 gram. Okay, that is the mean and standard deviation of 10 gram. A, find the range of z-score if the mass if the mass of each nail must be between 53.25 and 54.25. Then diagram 25 shows standard normal distribution graph. The mass of the nail, the probability of K. Okay, K is, okay, this thing. Okay, we'll find out later on. Let's take a look at A first. I need to move this graph over somewhere else. Okay. Put it in another separate piece of paper. There you go. So how do you find z-score? Well, remember z-score, you have to minus the mean and then divide by sigma, then you get the z-score. Let me just write the formula. Z-score is equal to x minus mu is the mean divided by sigma, which is standard deviation. Mean and sigma is standard deviation. So if if x is 53.25, then the z-score, let's just call it as 1, okay, x1, then z1 is 53.25 minus mu, which is 52 the mean, and the sigma of 10, and this comes up to, use our calculator, 53.25 minus 50 divided by 10, 0.325. Doesn't have a good handwriting there. Okay, if x, x2 now is 54.25, then z1, push down, 54.25 minus 52, minus 52 divided by 10, and that comes up to 54.25 minus 52 divided by 10, 0.225. Okay, let me just check again. Okay, this is right. Oh, okay, the first one is wrong. Okay, the first one is wrong. Let me do a correction. Z1 is not 0.325. Okay, I made a mistake. I need to make a correction here. I have written 50 instead of 52 in on the calculator, so I need to correct that. 53.25 minus 52 divided by 10. Yeah, because I got a bigger number, so there's something wrong there. 0.125. Okay, then the range of z-score is between 0.125 and 0.225. Okay. Okay, next one. Let me check. Next one, B. Why am I here? Okay, B is this. Let me just copy it again. B This carries 4 marks. Okay. Okay, now the same scenario. Diagram 25 shows standard number distribution graph of the mass of nails. Okay, Z between K and 0.3485. So what the question? Find the mass of nail which P is less than Z. Okay. We want to find the mass of nails here. Here, okay. That place you probably cannot see it. You want to find mass of nails here. Alright, now we're gonna need to refer to the chart. What is that chart called? Normally it's being put at the end or at the beginning of the question paper. This is the upper tail probability QZ for normal distribution. Mind me, this probability is about tail end, the upper tail. Okay. Anything let me try. Anything above the mean. The table here does not give anything on this side, nothing on this side, only on the upper tail. So if the question involves anything below the mean, so we need to do some kind of transformation there. Okay, let's take a look at the problem again. Okay, K is there, and the probability is between K and 0 is 0.385. So if you want to look at the table just now, what was the name of the table again? I keep forgetting. The upper tail probability. The upper tail probability QZ. And then we need to find an equivalent table for something like this. Okay, this is your normal distribution graph with normal distribution something like this, and this is your fx. Okay, we somehow need to find something here. Okay, which is also, this is probably minus k then. This is minus k. We need to look for minus k. But yeah, but if you look at the table, it will give you the value of the probability at the upper tail. Okay, that's the shaded area, not on the left side of the shaded area. So we need to do some kind of transformation. Okay, so let's take a look at the probability of this area. What is the probability of this area? Okay, then we need to, let me see, this 0.38. yeah, need to think a bit, because probability here, probability at the mean is 0.5, and probability at k, if I put k here, that is yeah, hold on, anywhere in between is 0.3485. that means, and this let me get green, that is, this is 0.3485. but if I want to find that side, I need to do this 0.5 minus 0.3485. okay, let's do that. Okay, so probability that Z falls in between K and 0 is 0.3485. so we need to find a table, we need to find the probability first of when Z is greater than minus k. This is 0.5 minus 0.3485, which is 0.5 minus 0.3485. Okay, this could be confusing because we are doing some kind of transformation. You probably need to open up your textbook again to find out how, why, and how. 0.1515. Okay, now that being the probability of z higher than minus k, which is this area over here, is being covered. Yeah, this area, that's the probability. So we need to refer back to the table, the upper tail probability table. What is the value of k when it is 0.1515? Let's go back to the table. So we are going to look into the information somewhere inside. Yep, I found it. I found 0.1515 here. That's the one. So that match 1.0 and 1.03. So the value of minus k is 1.03. Then k is really minus 1.03. Okay, this let me just rub off. This is actually 1.03. So k is minus 1.03. okay, because it's the left side of the mean, 0, standard mean. Okay, 0, because we are referring to normal standard distribution now. So if you want to find the mass of this is of the mass of nails when z is less than k, then what we need to do is to multiply this k. We want to find standard deviation. Is 10, right? That's the standard deviation. Standard deviation has already been given, which is 10 gram. Then if you want to find the mass of the nails, with p z less than k, then that equals to 52 plus k k times standard deviation, then times sigma, k sigma, which is 52. K is minus 1.03 and sigma is 10, and that is 52 minus 10.3. so the answer is use calculator if you are afraid to make any mistake. 52 minus 10.3, 41.7. Okay, that is the weight of the nail. Okay, so you get the result, you get the answer that carries 4 marks. So if you have any question, we have completed everything by now, all the 25 questions paper 1. I shall continue with paper 2. So if you have any question, then just email me. My email address or my Facebook address there is being written at the top right corner of this video. And do not forget to like my page Learning Mathematics, which is being displayed on the left side, the top left side of this video. Okay, see you again next time. Until then, Assalamualaikum.